Hello all my friends in Southeast Asia. My name is Janne and I'm representing Kesla company from Finland, and I would like to introduce a little bit our third generation harvester head and some novelties what we are bringing for that model. So as you can see, there is a knife cutting system which we are now launching at this exhibition worldwide, and this has a lot of advantages compared to the traditional cutting system like saw unit and something like that. So this saves a lot of energy, a lot of money. For example, if we are thinking about plantation forestry, there are sand, there are dust, there are dirt, all that kind of things, which basically wears and tears a lot of saw bars and saw chains. And in addition, normally you need saw chain oil quite a lot. So with this Kesla twin axe rear model and this cutting system, you are getting rid of all that kind of costs. So we have been testing it in Indonesia few months, almost to half a year, with very good success and very good good results. And this will be in the future one of the most wanted cutting system in plantation forestry. Of course, the traditional saw unit and saw system have its own place, but this is an excellent alternative for that. And also what you can do, you can modify afterwards also the harvester head. So you can change, if you originally have ordered, for example, with the saw box, this can be changed instead of the saw box, and vice versa. So it can be also retrofitted very easily for the harvester head. So at this point, this is available for our 19RH size of the harvester head, which basically goes with 7-ton to 13, 14-ton excavators when we are talking about excavator harvesters. And of course, hopefully in the future we are bringing also this solution for the bigger ones as well. But we have a lot of expectation, excellent feedback coming from Southeast Asia, and we are very much looking forward selling these units a lot for you guys.